Alright guys, in today's video I want to show you what we're going to do here live at the JW Solar USA Command Center in Minnesota. Guys, this is what it is. We have a portable solar charger you can use for hiking, and I have the camo style camouflage. Guys, there's a solar panel here. They were claiming it's 50 watt. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be doing the test as soon as I got the right tool. And guys, I already got the tool I'm going to use to test the power output and my cell phone power on the battery. Battery power is kind of low right now. I forgot what the percentage is, but we're going to set the solar panel here oriented to the sun. As you guys can see, I'm sitting by my stairs. And this is the device I ordered, and it's called a USB multifunction tester. Okay, you can do that just like a kilowatt or voltmeter, or it's a kilowatt meter that gives you the watts, the voltage, and the amp hours. Well, this is what it looks like. It came from China. By the way, I ordered it in the US, but apparently it was sitting forever for me to get this this craziness. Well, this is what it is, and it has some little specification booklets in there, but let's just go into it right away. This is how the device look like. So I ordered two of them. So if you can look the voltage of this thing, so it can accommodate from 4 volts to 30 volts, and the current from 0 to 5.1 amps. Okay, this is what it is. That's the name, the kws-mx. I don't know, I can't pronounce that. I don't know what it is. So it has a little button here you can push back and forth to change screens and voltages. So this is the thing, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it behind the USB. It has a USB 2 ports on it, and it's in the other side of the sun. So it has a USB 2 ports out. So this is what it is. Oh no, the sun is kind of losing its power. So we're gonna plug this guy right behind here, and that's gonna start giving us the voltage. I'm gonna plug the other side there, the USB, the fast charger for the Samsung. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's gonna be like this. USB type C is gonna go back to this guy on the back here, and plugged, and this side is going to your device or your cell phone, whatever you want to charge. Stay tuned. You know how they normally say when you're about to do some test or whatever, or after you finish up installing the solar panel, the sun goes down, or maybe there's no sun for the test, and this is what is happening right now. Let's take this guy out, and so that you see exactly what is going on here. I'm gonna pop, there's a little LED. Okay, now the sun is back. It's a little LED on the corner here. You see it right there. So it's gonna illuminate. It's gonna lit up, and as soon as I pop the see that, I just started opening the solar panel, and now the LED started giving out power. So solar panels are giving power. So this is what it is now. You guys have seen the test, and this is just gonna see what this device actually is gonna do. And sun is down again, so we're gonna plug this guy here. But the other device, the other mistake they did is the reverse. This is supposed to be facing that way so that we can see it, but it's facing backwards. So check this out. See where the power is coming right now. So it lit up. This is crazy. Hope I can bring you guys this. Right, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is what it is. This is how the device look like. So I don't know if you can read it. I'm seeing it with my naked eyes or bare eyes, and this is 5 point something, and the screen is just too hard to read due to whatever it is. Okay, 5.14. So now I'm holding it this way. I'm gonna plug the cell phone and see how it's charging. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's plug this device and see. I hope I can have a better, but the sun is directly on our face and the camera is facing our direction as well. So I'm gonna plug. Oh boy, hold on, I just plugged it in. Look at that. So the solar light came on green because that's how it should be, that it has a load. And look at the charge. So it's putting out 4.2 watt, and the yellow screen, you see the yellow is 4.2, and look at the voltage, 4.95. So it's charging right now. So the solar panel, and I'm charging the phone I'm using. That's the same thing I'm using charging as well, because I'm using the phone to film this, and this is how it looks like. So it's putting a 4.1 watt. It's a timer on it, like 1 minute 28. And down here you see 18 milliamp hours. We already like started putting into the battery on the phone. Yeah, so it's not gonna be probably the best video on this, but should have grabbed the okay, I think this one makes better now. You can see. Well, I hope it makes sense. So let's try and unplug this guy here and plug to the next one. See if number 2 is faster. Let's see. I didn't see any difference. So the voltage dropped to 4 point something. The colors they have on the device is too much. Okay, 4.95, and it's putting 0.8 milliamp. You guys go back and watch the description on this panel I told you on my video and see the output. They assume that this device is supposed to be able to produce at a certain time. I'm trying to bring you guys this thing so that you guys can able to see exactly, and that's why I was waiting for this device. So I don't know if it's really accurate. So I'm changing it. You see there's a channel, and that's a 38 degrees C. So 3.94. I'm clicking, you see the number goes up. Now there was a red light that came out from the panel, the USB there. So 4.816 volt, and it's putting about 3.432 watt. Okay, now it's a red light, like maybe the panels now arranged or aligned right. Okay, let's see. I keep changing the channel. I'm on the see number, the NO. I'm now on 4. I just keep clicking. I said it's supposed to increase or change, give you different voltages. So when I click, look at the number. Now it's on 7. Seems like it's charging the phone now. Okay. Well, some people are kind of curious about this. Before, some people are saying like probably 18 watts. So I'm clicking the channel, is a 9 and now 1. That's the default. So seems like it's charging. The voltage, the wattage dropped to 2 point something, 2.1. So let's try and unplug it again and plug it to number 1. Give us about 4 watts again. Anytime the red lights comes on, that means like it's not angled right to the pan or to the sun. So we're almost bringing a watt, amp. Sorry, it's 0.916 amp. So see if I can able to. Angle it right. Sorry for all the shake because I'm trying to charge the same phone I'm using to film, and seems like it's not just working the way I want. So it's almost putting an amp on the red. See that here. So it's on you guys now what you believe, but not all the time manufacturer advertisers is saying things is correct. So I've been waiting for this device so that I can able to film this to show you guys. Sorry for the shake. I have to hold the panel and make sure it's facing to the camera. It's going to record it. So 4.056 watt. So we lost that almost 9 amp, 0.9 that was coming because the sun tried to get orientation, tried to aim the thing to the camera. It's an easy thing. Alright guys, let's see. It's almost flat. I don't know what you can see. Woo. Yeah, the way they designed this thumb drive is facing backwards instead of facing forward. The ingenuity is kind of poor. I don't like it. See, it's hard to film something on the back like this. So instead of the screen facing forward, so that you would have captured more of the thing, and it's really it doesn't have anything where they put this thing where you can hang the panel. Guys, this is what it is. I think I will stop my test because it's not giving me what I was looking for. Alright, like and subscribe. It's up to you what you want to do. Trusting these little rechargeable solar panels, or portable you call them, and I'm not seeing what they were advertising. I know it's not possible. Alright guys, that's the panel. It's doing its thing, and it's plugged. The meter is backwards. I wish it would have faced this way then it makes more sense. We can able to see the power production, but it's on the backwards. I hope you you find this video interesting. Well, all I was gonna do to prove if this thing is correct. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.